goes up, Matthew goes up, and then you two walk back. And then there's 4 players, purple players coming up against 3 defenders. You guys gotta help back. Okay? Aim is good. Then you can't. Sometimes the ball's right there and you just watch it. Go to the ball. Do something with the ball. Pass the ball. Take a touch. Okay? You guys are doing good. Positioning, everything. Okay? Defense. Nathan. You gotta stop. Every time something happens, you come over here to make the hell of the talk. What is they counterattack movement for? You gotta stay here, pay attention. And I see Gray talking. You should be talking. You're the same. They should be moving up with you. Okay? Sometimes I saw Gray here, you back here with Elliot. Okay, Elliot, when the ball's here, I don't want you all the way down here. You gotta come in a little bit. You got it? Come in. That's why I look at what I do. Boom, come in, go out. Okay, you guys are playing good. That's 1-0, it's 4 more goals. You're shooting.
Oh, you ready? I don't even act out. Show them, huh? Feet over. Yeah, I just, that's what I
Up, defense, up. Nathan.
Bring the defense up, Nathan.
Hey, Nathan. That's it. Move up. Just tell him, move up. Right there.
Go, Mark.
Hey, Elliot.
Get position, ready for the throw-in, quick. Okay, Mark.
Position, Elliot. Good. Hustle. Nice. Go. Stay in line with Nathan, Elliot.
They're both playing.
Andrew, watch Nathan. Move up with Nathan. Nathan, talk to them. Good. Now back.
Get out. Spread out.
Benji, spread out. Don't move towards the ball.
Shoot.
Go, Gray.
Go, Benj.
I missed that one. Oh, well.
Not taking the shot.
Huh?
I said that's called taking 2 more dribbles and not shooting.
God, they're playing, both teams are playing really good today.
Yeah.
They're both really, really good.
They're,
Shoot.
Oh, go, follow it!
Follow it!
Again!
Yay! Woo! Well done, Mark! Well done, Mark!
Let's go. Keep playing. 0-0.
Give him a high five.
Back to positions.
Positions, fast! Is Mark going to get
Stay
another
towards
one?
your position. Too many players in there.
Excellent.
Good, Ben. Stop.
Hey, Nathan.
Okay, move up.
Guys,
Follow Nathan, Elliot, Andrew.
Hey, Nathan. If you go up, you got to tell him to move up with you. Come on.
Position, quick. Pay attention to the ball.
Elliot, you're this side. Come over. Nathan, to the middle. Okay. Just remember, you're covering the middle section of the field. Elliot, you're covering this third.
Go! Shoot!
Shoot! Get in front of the goal.
Okay.
Evan. Hey, good job. Let's shoot, okay? Turn around. Face the ball. Evan, stop right there. Stop right there. Stop.
Good position, Ben.
Turn around, Jay.
Gray, Evan, Matthew, break up. You're bunched up. Move in. Get in front of the goal.
Oh.
Good.
I wonder what we can do for accuracy, because Evan's just up there and he's just missing it.
Yeah.
It's tough, you know, it's tough,
Well,
but
the
it's
shots that he's taking come up and he shouldn't be taking. They
right.
should be crosses.
Cross, right.
But he's trying to score.
Right, okay. All right, I see.
That's my take on it.
Oh, good work, Ben.
Challenge it. Nathan, get it out.
Hard. There we go.
Elliot, good. Right. Okay, good.
Positions quick. Pay attention to the ball.
Look at the ball.
Give him someone up the line.
Evan, Matthew, move apart. Move apart.
Oh.
Great play next year.
Yeah.
Spread out, fellas. Spread out.
Open up. Pay attention to the ball.
Good. It's a good head, though. Okay, go. Don't stop. Matthew, move up.
There we go. Go.
Separate. Go. Don't run to the ball, Mark B.
Hey guys, what are you doing there?
Straighten the lineup, Nathan. Nathan, remember.
Up to the middle.
There you go. Now bring it up.
Go, Benji. Drive forward. Benji, go. Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't
Come on.
stop.
Benji, towards the goal.
Go for it, Gray. Okay.
Stay right there, you guys.
Drive forward.
Get to the goal, Ben. Get open. Get open.
Go for good, Benji. Oh, Benji, you're doing great, getting good speed up there with running. Remember your arms, okay?
Good. Okay, stop him in. Okay, good hustle, Elliot. Get back. Okay.
Oh.
Cut him off, Elliot. To the outside. Nice.
Good.
Get on it. Mark, perfect. Stay there.
Elliot, in. The ball's all the way there. Get in. Behind number 6.
Hamish, pay attention. Go. Go, Mark. Go, Mark. Oh, great.
Good play. Nice, Matthew, Mark. Good positioning, Benji. Good defense. Get open towards the goal, Ben. Mark B, be open. Cut it. Turn it back in, Ben.
Good work, Benji. Come on. Good.
Cut him off. That's yours, Elliot. Okay, Benji, move back. Go. Go, back to your position, Ben.
Get over.
In front of the goal. Matthew, be open. Benji, get open. Get it in front.
Go for it, Benji. Good.
Elliot.
That's in time. You got time.
Take
your time.
Nice. Good, Andrew.
Go, Gray.
Follow it in. Benji, Matthew, get in there.
Go. Good.
Follow it. Stay on.
Don't